This is all expected to take about 2 years for those projects to be finished.
It's getting dizzy watching that.
I love it. We show those videos.
Just a few twists.
I think about the people with the big 80-inch TVs, and they're in their couch like, oh my God.
What is going on here? Drew suggested we get some sun this weekend. Is that possible in these parts?
I think the vitamin D is on the way, and I just want to say I feel you to all the other parents of young children out there as we deal with this time change this weekend. It ain't pretty, and it takes a little longer than a week to get everybody back on schedule. Let's take a look at how we are going to be going tomorrow, and how about this for on schedule? Step off at noon for the St. Patrick's Day Parade. Yes, in Akron, they're celebrating early. It's a week's worth of St. Patrick's Day. Yes, noon step off, 34 degrees, mostly sunny skies. I think it's going to be a great afternoon for it. Snow mode on the Doppler radar, not showing much of anything. Just a few flurries lingering around much of northern Ohio at this point, and the heavier snow showers have moved on out. We have our large storm system that is banked off to the east. It is still swirling all kinds of moisture back to the west, but the overall upper level pattern has shifted east, and that will start to bring in the drier air from the west. So you can see literally we are cutting off the lake effect here. That dry air not allowing as much, or at least the dry air is able to overcome the moisture that's being pulled into the atmosphere. But for the most part, it's just going to be kind of nice for the next couple days. We'll have some clouds passing through. I think the only caveat here would be that we have chilly temperatures that are going to be in place. As that same swirl is going on to the east of us, it's not going to allow a southwest flow. It's a west flow that's coming in. As you can see, backed all the way to the west is chilly temperatures. So we're going to stay in the 30s, a little below average, and we're already below average. Look at 22 right now in Worcester, 20 in Ashtabula with that fresh snowpack going on. And you see there in the corner the countdown to spring. Frank Masick, this is why he's the best. Right on cue, 10 days, 12 hours, and 57 minutes. The countdown is on. As far as the hour-by-hour forecast, it's a lot less exciting tonight than it was last night. We will have some cold temperatures to start the day tomorrow. Partly cloudy skies will greet you as you get up, get those errands going in the morning. By noon, we're talking temperatures moving into the low 30s, and at mid-afternoon, we will be in the mid-30s across much of northern Ohio. That's below average. Typically, this time of the year, we're in the 40s. We'll get there eventually. But as far as Saturday evening goes, it's still going to be rather chilly if you're out and about on the town. Now, overnight into Sunday, it's more of the same. Partly cloudy to mostly clear skies will continue for us. Matter of fact, we may back more of the cloud cover out. We'll have a little bonus addition of some heat coming in, but it's not a whole lot. I think temperatures by afternoon on Sunday will be peaking in the upper 30s to near 40. But we'll take everything we can, and by Monday morning, we're starting chilly once again. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast, just a few clouds around for tomorrow with highs in the mid-30s. A little more in the way of sunshine on Sunday with temperatures topping out near 40. We're going to hold on to the 30s early next week. We have an upper-level storm system that will pass through. A lot of times that will bring in some cooler air. It's also going to stir up a few snow showers. Not expecting anything major at this point. But once that one moves out, then we're talking mostly sunny, 45 on Thursday, and there's the sun with 57 on Friday. I have two little girls that are very excited about prospects of more park time. They're really enjoying the parks and getting outside.
Even early in the a.m.
Yes, well, we are so excited about the time change.
Now, do you guys get up early on Sunday morning and change the clocks at 2 a.m., or do you do it the night before? What do you guys do?
My clocks are already changed.
I just let them happen automatically and then realize like 3 days later that the stove or the microwave is still off or whatever, you know?
There you go. Almost got him, folks. Didn't work.
So confused.